my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Jakara, and in this video I'm going to be picking up where I left off at the last video before I went on vacation. And I came back to some interesting things here in the yard, and we're out here in the garden, and yeah, with lots of tidying up to do in addition to finishing the brick edging of the paver pathway that I put in the back, or paver patio I put in the back. If you're not really sure what I'm talking about, I'll link a card above to just get you up to speed to where we are here in the garden. Today I finally get to paint my garden bench, so I'm gonna start with that first, and then I'll talk you through all the things I'm gonna be doing in this video. But first of all, let's get this bench painted. Okay, so this is my garden bench. I've shown this before. I had every intention of painting it before I left for vacation, but just didn't happen. It was raining, and the wood was still wet and everything. But now, I mean, it rained the last couple of days, but it's dried out pretty good. So I am gonna get to painting, and then we'll get to our other duties. So I finished painting the bench for the most part. I put 2 coats on it. I still have to kind of clean out here, this area. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to paint this area too or not. Probably not. I don't know if it'll be worth it, but I will clean it up. Looking pretty good so far. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just has to be on there. You know, it has to be sufficient. So I think it's sufficient. The next area I'm going to tackle is this area here where my hydrangeas are being overshadowed by these weeds, and I'm going to clean up this whole bed here. Maybe not all today, but definitely around this hydrangea, which should be blooming soon. So let me work on this area here. There's my hydrangea. She looks pretty healthy, and she's getting bigger. Every year she gets bigger, has more leaves. Hopefully she will have lots of blooms this year. This is a blue hydrangea. The other one I have on the other side under all those weeds is a pink hydrangea. I think I'm gonna plant 2 more this year near each other, so eventually I'll have like a whole row of hydrangea back here. But right now I have, this is like the remnants of a dead little tulip and daffodils that never came up, so I might have to move my daffodil bulbs since they didn't really do much this year. We'll see. I don't move them till fall, so. But for now, let's go ahead and clean up everything. The weeds came up pretty easily over here, so I should be able to pull this up pretty quickly. We shall see. But let's go do it.
Stays the same. Wake up, feel that emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup on my face. Yeah. Every single day just stays.
Okay, I've cleared out most of the weeds. There's my other hydrangea down here. I have to clean up all this here. And then even my garden beds got weeds in them because I didn't plant anything in them yet. So I have to clean those out. So let me get to that.
I am giving all to you in vain, but I guess I had it coming, so why should I complain? Why should I ever stop, ever stop? Why should I give you up, give you up? And when do I see myself every day? Repeat itself, repeat itself. They say I'm out of my head 'cause I keep telling myself one day you'll find me.
All right, so this bed and this bed is cleared for the most part. I mean, there's little weeds in there that I could pull out, but it's getting dark, it's getting late, so I'm gonna do one last task and then I'm gonna call it a day, and then tomorrow we'll start fresh. And that is, I have to chop back these bushes. They're like impeding on the path, and so I'm gonna do that now, and I think that's my last thing for the day.
One day I'll find you, and we're off to what they call a good start. And then I'll wake up. Every single day just stays the same. Wake up, feel the emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup on my face. Every single day just stays the same. I don't really care and it's a shame. I know I had it coming and I don't care to explain. Why should I ever stop?
I'm so glad I finished this compost bin area so I can put all the yard waste in there, food waste as well, but at least the shrubs are not blocking the path. Now the path has all these weeds in between the pavers, which I tried to avoid by putting sand and weed cloth down, but that didn't seem to work. So I'm going to either try to pull up these weeds or just cut them down. Then the grass, look how tall it is while I was away. Good thing is my flowers did bloom. They look kind of beat up because of the rain. The rain got to them, but they look good. Well, they did look good a couple days ago. I'll insert a clip. But they kind of got beat up. My peonies. They were so pretty. And anyway, got maybe a couple more that need to bloom, but peony season is almost over. Anyway, you guys, that's it for today. My back is screaming bloody murder, so I'm gonna go rest and then try to get back at it tomorrow. Okay, I'm back out in the yard today. It is pretty early. I came out originally to take the trash out to the alley, and I figured before I could do that, I had to like trim some weeds and get some weeds out of the alleyway so that I could pull the garbage can through. So since I was already out here pulling up weeds and trimming and all that, I decided to continue with cleaning up the area underneath the bushes on the side of the pathway. So I've gotten, and I actually trimmed some more of the bushes as well. I mean, I gave them a good proper haircut, but there was a lot of like brush underneath, and so I have to clear that out as well. My dog likes to go under the bushes to do his business, so he's been like out of sorts because he can't go where he normally would like to go. So yeah, so I'm gonna clean up around underneath the bushes and stuff and try to neaten up the pathway a little bit, and then eventually I'll get to the lawn and cut that down because it's overgrown and just try to tidy up a little bit before I get to like the brick edging of the path of the paper patio in the back. So I don't know why I'm having such difficulty talking today, but anyway, that is the plan for today. I might clean out a few more garden beds. There's a flower bed that I need to clean out in addition to the one I did yesterday. So let's see what the day brings. Let's see. As you can see, there's lots of weeds and overgrowth underneath these bushes. I did cut them back even more. I don't know if you can tell. They were pretty tall. I wanted to cut some of the height off, so I cut them down, but I have to get all this stuff underneath here out. I kind of already started down here in my little meditation spot. This part was really overgrown. This tree it starts in my neighbor's yard, but it like winds up the fence. I'm gonna have to try to cut it down here at the root, at the very end, but it's kind of hard because, like I said, it's in my neighbor's yard. I might have to go over there and do it because this tree or bush or whatever it is overgrows and overtakes this area every year, and it's annoying. But yeah, I tried to clean up around underneath here. As you can see, the difference between this area and that area. Anyway, I'm gonna continue what I was doing.
Oh yeah, this could all be over. We're not okay. Shattered glass everywhere. Tears of rage. Waiting for the rain to stop and take my pain away.
All right, she's looking a little neater. There's still some small pieces of brush underneath here and little bits that I'll rake up. But right now what I want to do is cut these branches that are like encroaching on the path here. And for that, I have my handy dandy rotary, no, it's reciprocating saw. That's what this is, reciprocating saw. So we'll do that.
Why'd you have to be that mean? Why'd you do me that way? We should know that we won't be any better. Can't you see that we are drifting apart? I am through trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop, want it to stop. Smoke spirals.
It is now later in the day, much later in the day. I had some things to do throughout the day, but it's much later, and so I'm gonna try and hurry up and finish this brick edging, and hopefully get it done within the next 20 minutes. I have all the bricks here. The mosquitoes are really bad after when the sun starts going down, so I'm gonna probably get eaten alive, but I'm gonna work fast, so let's get to it.
Cigarette. Door slammed to figure silhouettes. Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Is this over? Is this over?
All right, so I was able to get it done in probably like 10 minutes. I could put one more down here at the very end. I think I'm gonna wait till I put the other paver here so that I can finish it all off. For now, I'm pretty happy with this edging, and that it is continuous here. I need to find a little piece to go right there. Let's see if I can find one. Hold on. All right, so it's not perfect, but it'll do for now. And it's pretty nice looking. I'm gonna finish putting the bench back over here, and I'll show you the final result. And here we are. Looks good. It matches the trellis over there and the arbor that I built. And I can just sit down. I think it looks pretty good. I might put a little bit of coal because you can see like right there, there's some of the wood showing, but I'll do that another day. For now, it's looking pretty good. All right, you guys, that is it. That's the end of the video for today. I was able to complete those tasks that were on my list for the garden out here. There are several more tasks to do in this garden design, and I look forward to getting to those projects soon. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It helps push my videos out to the algorithm and other people. And I would love to have you back for our next in the series. I'm going to be building a swing, a garden swing. So look forward to that. If you want to see that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. And until I see you next time, take care.